Hi guys, today I received this cordless lift blower for reviewing purposes. Let's take it out of the box, okay? This is the tube, okay? Have in here the battery charger, okay, which I think it's really nice. There's the main unit, okay? And in here we got two batteries, okay? This is one. This is the other one, okay? We also have the manuals for the battery charger and the proper blower, which I think it's really nice, okay? Having both of them. And to place this, you just this and lock it in. Okay, this is how it looks. And just place the battery in here, okay? Like this. As you can see, just pressing the button, it turns on. It feels nice, okay? So let's go ahead and test it. Let's go.
But first, let me tell you more about this leaf blower. It has a powerful motor and axial fan, which can get to a speed of 120 miles per hour for a efficient cleaning, and it has a turbo boost button, so it maximizes the airflow, which I think it's really nice. With the 220 volts lithium ion batteries, you get up to 50 minutes of runtime, and it's really lightweight, which reduces fatigue, and it's a nice choice for making some lawn care for your patio cleaning and blowing leaves and dust. Okay.
Okay, so as you can see, I'm already outside, and you might not see it, but it's really dirty in here. It has lots of dust, bits of cast. Well, it's messy, so let's go ahead and give it a quick cleaning here, okay? So as you can see, it's really nice, really easy to use. Well, place the battery, the extension, that's it. I think it's really nice. It's really powerful, and overall, I like it a lot, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.